guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. Congratulations on the new lifetime high of the index, which is above 22,350 zones. So we have seen that the massive rally of the bulls and the strength was seen in the last session of the week. Entire week we've seen that there has been some lackluster move in Bank Nifty, but the last trading session of the week saw short covering move due to the new expiry which has started, which is the monthly series. Now let's talk about what happened. So we've seen that the February series closed this week and there was round about 80% rollover in Nifty, which means that people have taken their long position forward in the March series. As compared to Bank Nifty, there has been 30% open interest reduction in the short side, which means that people have reduced their short position in Bank Nifty as of February series and are looking for a fresh leg of rally in the March series. So roundabout, we expect that this rally should continue in the coming series and we will see new levels. Talking about Nifty, we have seen a good support near 22,222. So this will become a crucial level to watch out for intraday perspective. Positionally, 22,000 would be a crucial support to watch out for an up move towards 22,500 and 22,750 levels. For Bank Nifty, we can see 46,500 acting as a crucial support for the next move towards 48,000 zones. Now, the good part is that even the heavyweight banking stocks have now started performing and supporting the index at higher zones. Yet again, we've seen that on the Friday session, Bank Nifty moved by more than 1,000 points and covered the losses of the entire week. Even Nifty has moved by more than 500 points in the entire week. So bulls have been in complete action the entire week. Now, sector-specific action to watch out for. Some of the banking PSU names are looking quite positive. Even the auto stocks continue to remain positive and show strength. We have seen that this strength has been continuing since the last few weeks, as mentioned in the Weekly Market Watch. And also, some of the reality space is also looking quite attractive even at these levels. Thank you. See you again.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.